Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's jump into what I have for today. This is another taobao makeup palette review. The way I will do it is that I will show you the palette first and the looks will come later in later videos. I'm new in this YouTube game and I do hold a full-time job. I'm actually a hit hunter, though I wish I could say I'm a bounty hunter, but that isn't legal in my part of the world. This palette is called Jojo, Hey Pretty Eye. It's a 15 color palette with mostly peachy tones. I sourced for this on Taobao and I understand that this palette has been around for a while now. The packaging is plastic, so for those of us who are into dual usage or recycling, you can reuse this case with your own shadows or even your lipsticks once the shadow finishes. That's the way I usually do. This palette is from a collection of two. The one that I have here is the first palette and it is called Peach Soda. I did not bring in the second palette as the colors were very similar. I will show you a photo of the palette somewhere in here. Here are the two palettes side by side, number 1 and number 2. This really caught my attention as the colors are so pretty and it even says pretty eye on the case. How can you go wrong with that? Honestly, the packaging is super pretty as well. As I review non-popular brands, I came to realize, why do we always need to spend so much money on branded makeup when at the end of the day we just remove it? So, as your friendly neighborhood auntie, I am going to share with you a hashtag life hack: buy budget palettes so you can use the spare cash and buy more makeup. I know it's lame. The back of the packaging will show you the ingredients and also a little picture on how you can use this palette to create multiple looks when you're not sure how to begin. And the names of the colors are mentioned. Unfortunately, the names are not mentioned on the actual product itself. I will zoom into the palette so you guys can have a good look at all the colors and be swayed by it. So drop by our shop and have a look, as 10/10 is coming up. All the items that you purchase from us will come with free gifts. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your time with me today, and I will share all the links on how you can reach us in the description box below. Also, please subscribe and like our channel, as we are excited to have you be part of our YouTube journey. Thank you and Khuda Hafiz.